Hi, my name is Gildelasi Ayasoa. I'm 9 years old and a student of Ghana International School. I'm participating in this year's Codeavour 2020 AI competition through MakersPlace. The title of my project is the COVID-19 experience. Let me demonstrate how it works.
Hi guys, I'm so happy to be back in school.
How are you so happy to be back in school? Like, come on.
I'm happy because staying at home and staring at the screen for almost 7 hours is very stressful and tiring.
Okay, guys, but on a more serious note, do you think the impact of COVID-19 is positive or negative? And what measures can the government put in place to curb the spread?
I think the COVID-19 pandemic is good because it has really exposed the weaknesses in the health sector.
So, what measures can the government put in place to strengthen the health sector?
The government should build more hospitals and clinics fully equipped with the needed resources.
So, what's your stance on this, Douglas?
Well, what you said is true, but I think those medical facilities should be in the northern part of Ghana.
Why the northern parts?
The northern part, because the northern part is undeveloped and unequipped with high-class hospitals to deal with serious diseases like cholera and COVID-19.
Looks like it's time for library. Look forward to see you there.
There should be silence here so that people can read.
Okay. Guys, do you think we should be public speakers?
Amen.
Me too. Me three.
That will be very interesting and fun. We'll all get to practice our public speaking skills.
And also get to know people's different perspectives on different topics.
Okay, then we'll continue this conversation tomorrow at school.
Alberta, do you remember when Mr. Brown fell off his chair at school yesterday?
Oh yeah. It was so hilarious.
Darren and Alberta, please can we change the topic because it seems like you guys are the only ones talking.
Yeah, I think I agree too.
Okay, then let's continue discussing the topic we talked about yesterday.
Oh, I just remembered we didn't talk about the positive impact of COVID-19.
For me, the COVID-19 pandemic has provided an opportunity for family bonding.
Yeah, that's true. But for me, it's not only about the increased family bonding, it's also about having more time to discover new things.
Like what?
Like baking and coding.
But how?
Well, it's because parents are spending more time at home than before. They work from home and children attended online classes. Well, I disagree
Why?
because there aren't any fun activities to do compared to coming to school. It's quite boring.
I think it depends on the person and the circumstances they find themselves in. Yeah.
This conversation has been very insightful. It's quite unfortunate we couldn't continue.
Yeah, really sad. We have to meet again during the weekend. That'll be awesome.
Bye, guys.
Bye!